So, I was sitting in the dead silent library during finals week, right? And I felt this sneeze building up like a volcano about to erupt. I'm thinking, okay, just hold it in, be civilized, maybe it'll go away on its own. But this sneeze had other plans because it kept getting bigger and bigger, and I'm literally sweating trying to contain this thing. Finally, I'm like, you know what? I'll just let out a tiny quiet sneeze. What's the worst that could happen? So I take a deep breath and... comes out sounding like a freight train colliding with a foghorn. The entire library goes silent, and I swear even the books stopped rustling. Everyone's staring at me like I just screamed profanities at their grandma. This one girl drops her pencil, and it echoes for like 5 seconds straight. The librarian slowly looks up from her desk with these judgmental eyes and goes, "Bless you," but in the most sarcastic tone ever. I'm sitting there red as a tomato trying to pretend it wasn't me, when suddenly the guy next to me whispers, "Dude, that was legendary," and gives me a fist bump. Now I'm known as the kid who broke the sound barrier with a sneeze.